Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Dodge Durango tail light bulb. First, gather your tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulbs. Make sure your Durango is completely off and the parking brake is set for safety. Then, open the rear liftgate to gain access to the tail light assembly. This initial preparation makes the process much smoother. Now let's remove the tail light assembly. You'll find two retaining screws on the inside edge of the assembly. Use your screwdriver to remove them. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle. Be careful not to force it. Finally, disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the release tab and pulling it apart. With the assembly free, it's time to replace the faulty bulb. Identify the specific bulb you need to replace. Twist the bulb socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly, then pull it out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with bare hands. To finish up, reconnect the electrical connector until you hear a click, ensuring a secure connection. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points and push it firmly back into place. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Finally, turn on your vehicle and test all the tail lights, including brake lights and turn signals, to confirm everything works correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.